Jai Srimanarayana. 15th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adhyobhi Janavanasmi Konyosti Sadruso Maya Yakshe Dasyami Modishye Ityajnana Vimohitaha. Om. Do not delude by ignorance, thinking that you are capable of doing everything without the grace of God. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone, unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not delude by ignorance, thinking that I am capable of doing everything without your grace. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall act according to your word. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Chakshusha Manvantaram, Paramatma born as Ajita to the couple Vairaja and Devasambhuti. That Ajita, that Paramatma became the divine tortoise, Kurmaswami, and went into the water, held the mountain Mandara on his back, and got the churning of ocean done with the help of Mandara the mountain. Like that, when Sri Sukayogindra said, Parikshit Narendra asking, O Yogindra, Ksheerasagaraha yadardham va yataha yecha adrim dadhara ambuchara atmana. Paramatma, why did he got that milky ocean churned? Why did he enter into water and held the mountain Mandara? How did he give Amrutam to Devatas? And what are all the other things that came out of that churning the ocean? Please tell me. Etat bhagavataha karma vadasva paramadbhutam. Please tell me all those miraculous Paramatma's divine activities. O Yogindra, so far you have disclosed so many divine incarnations of Paramatma, divine activities of Paramatma, divine attributes of Paramatma. But how much ever I hear from you, I still seeking to hear, I still eager to hear more and more. I do not feel content that yes, I have listened enough. No, I want to listen more and more. Like that when Parikshit Narendra said, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, O Raja, once upon a time, the Asuras, Danavas, they attacked Devatas. At that time, Devatas were under the effect of curse of Durvasa Maharshi. Because of that, they could not do anything to Asuras. And they were not able to face Asuras. And in all three worlds, it's such a bad situation. No divine activities, Vedic activities are going on. So in that dreadful situation, Indra and all other devatas came together and started thinking like this. What are they thinking? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 15th sloka. Adhyo bhijanavaanasmi konyosti sadruso maya ikshye dasyami modishye ityajnana vimohitaha. Adhyo bhijanavaanasmi konyosti sadruso maya ikshye dasyami modishye ityajnana vimohitaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.